In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ribbon, tabs, groups, and commands in PowerPoint 2025 and 365. Understanding these elements will enhance your efficiency and make your presentations a breeze to create and edit. So let's get started. First, let's begin by accessing PowerPoint for the web. Navigate to your preferred browser and head over to the Microsoft PowerPoint website. Once you're there, look for the option to sign in. If you already have a Microsoft account, you simply need to enter your credentials. For those who don't have an account, take a moment to create one. It's free and gives you access to a suite of tools and features. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the PowerPoint homepage. This is where all your recent documents and presentations are stored, making it easy to pick up where you left off or to start something new. Now let's select a presentation you'd like to work on. You can do this by clicking directly on the presentation's thumbnail. With your presentation open, let's focus on the ribbon at the top of the interface. The ribbon is a collection of tabs, each with its own group of commands. It's the hub of many functions you'll use while working in PowerPoint. To start, locate the ribbon display options. This tiny button usually appears in the upper right hand corner of your window, giving you control over how the ribbon is shown. You can choose to auto hide the ribbon, show tabs only, or show the tabs and commands all at once. Adjusting this will allow you to personalize your workspace so it suits your style and the context of your work. Let's explore each tab in detail by clicking through them. Begin with the Home tab. It's where many of the basic tools reside, like font adjustments and paragraph settings. Move on to the Insert tab for elements like images, charts, and text boxes. The Design tab offers easy to use themes and styles, perfect for enhancing the visual appeal of your slides. When you navigate to the Transitions and Animations tabs, you'll find a range of effects to bring movement and flair to your presentation. Lastly, the View tab allows you to manage your workspace layout, giving you options like Slide Sorter View and Notes. By familiarizing yourself with these tabs, you're setting the foundation for effective use of PowerPoint. Remember to also explore the groups within these tabs. Groups are collections of commands that work together for specific tasks. For instance, within the Home tab, you might find groups for clipboard, slides, and font customization. By understanding how these elements come together, you can seamlessly create, polish, and present your ideas with confidence. And that's how you navigate and utilize the ribbon, tabs, groups, and commands in PowerPoint 2025 and 365. I hope this tutorial has helped to shed light on how to make the most of these features for your presentations. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.